They're a lot bigger now. Let me see here. Budgie number 1 here. Ooh, it's okay, dude. I'm so scared. Hi, Mama. I'm about to get pecked by Mama. He got a little upset because the light was on him. Look at him. He's nice and healthy. Poor baby. Yeah, because of all the other birds getting all upset. I'll put you back, dude. There you go. We got another one over here. Got doo-doo on him. Uh-oh. Fix your legs here. Okay. Poor little guy. Put him down. Sir Hobbles. And I got this one. Oh, whoa. He got his eyes open too. Whoa, he's full of food. He says, I was sleeping. What are you waking me up for? What's that little wing there? So delicate. Put you back too. Oh, watch out. Don't get hurt. And I got the little baby one. Mama's, this one doesn't have his eyes open yet, I don't think. Oh yeah, it does. Look how fat this one is. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. We'll put that one down. Now that it disturbed all their little nesting spots in there. It's kind of tough to try to pick them up and the camera at the same time. I think I woke them up or something. They're pissed. Mom was over here, got ready to peck me. So anyway, 4 of them, and this egg there, no good. That thing's trash. Okay, Mama. She's like, you're about 2.